Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to file a request for extension when it comes to filing your statement of use. So you are in this stage when the USPTO has issued a statement of use asking you to file your specimen. So if you're not ready or you need an extension, this is the form that you need to fill out. I have linked it down below so that you can just click on that link and sign into your account so you can begin the process. The first step is to plug in your serial number, which you're going to do right here. The next page is just confirming all your information, and you're just going to click continue from here. The next two pages is you confirming the information that you had already provided. So you're basically just clicking continue, continue, unless you're doing something completely out of the ordinary. You're doing more than just asking for an extension. Unless you're doing anything else, you're just going to click continue. I always skip the miscellaneous statement because there's nothing to say here, so you're going to click continue. You're going to confirm your details again and click continue, and then in this case we have two classes that we're going to file for the client, so it's $125 per class. Our client had two, so we have a total of $250 we are paying on behalf of the client. Then you're just going to sign directly and pay the fee, and that's all you have to do in order to submit your statement of use extension.